Welcome class second. So today firstly I will tell you about your syllabus, because according to CBSE norms we have to reduce 30% syllabus from each subject. So here I am going to tell you your new syllabus from English first and English grammar, English literature and English grammar. So from English grammar I am not going to cut any chapter, because all the chapters are linked, and if I will skip here any chapter, so it will give you difficulty in your next class. So here only 2 chapters are cut: magic of colors. There is nothing, there is only coloring, that's why I have cut this chapter. And guess who am I? This is a chapter based on riddle. So these 2 chapters are not there in your syllabus, and from 1 to 15 not any other chapter I am going to cut, because it is a grammar portion, and grammar portion is very much important for you. But in English literature, that is English first, I will cut some chapters, 30% syllabus. So here how much we have completed up to chapter number 7, the matter of taste. This much we have completed already. Only one chapter I will teach you. So after that your syllabus will be finished in English literature. And chapter 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, these 5 chapters are reduced from the syllabus. Okay, these chapters are not there in your syllabus, only 1 to 8 chapter. Okay, and from 1 to 8, 7 are already completed, 8 I will complete it very soon. And in grammar only 2 chapters, and not other chapters, because I have to take whole grammar, and I want your concept should be clear. So today we will start story of one and many. Here firstly write today's date, lesson number 8, and lesson name is one and many. One means singular, one thing. Many means more than one or plural. One, many, or we can say singular, plural. So here I will tell you some words in ones, and I will write many of those words. Mostly we add s when we are making many of one, like girl we will write girls. If there is f at the last, so we will just neglect the f, we will cut this f, and what we will write ves. Instead of f we will write ves. Aunt, aunts, simply add s. With picture you have to write. Next is tree, plural of trees, trees, one tree and more than one trees. Bird, birds. Child, it will be different, children, not childs. Bananas. Ships, pens, simply add s. Pencils, boys, cars, books. Now next is different. Man, men, men. Like men, what is the plural of women? Women, men. Next is foot. So this plural of foot is not foods, not foos, it is feet. What? Feet, when double o is there in middle, so feet. Like tooth, teeth. Mouse, mice. Knife, fe, or f is coming, then we will write ves, nives. Mango, if at the last o is there, then es we will add. Mangoes. Vase, vases. Chair, chairs. House, houses. Flower, flowers. So most of the plural I have covered from the chapter. So you have to learn and fill the exercises in book, and the work which I have told you to do in copy, you will do in your copy, and these works you will do in your book. So complete it.